Hi there, I'm Doug Aiken, owner of Prestige Motorsports, and today we just wanted to do a video to really introduce myself and our company Prestige and show you a bit about the product offering that we have. So for those of you that don't already know, we supply a lot of engines for the kit car or continuation market. So anybody from, you know, Superformance dealers, Cox Racing, you've got Backdraft, Le Mans coupes. Pretty much we cover every market and from really the United States and across the world. So just to kind of give you a little bit about our product line and what is it really truly like to deal with Prestige Motorsports, I've got some examples to show you and also just cover a little bit about the company itself. So more or less every engine is going to come with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty, and that doesn't matter if it's a street car, light street cruising, or even basically at the track. So that's a really nice feature. It's one of the better warranties in the industry. We do have videos that explain the warranty detail, you know, pretty detailed. That can be found on our website. But briefly, you know, on that subject, it's all in how you handle it, and we handle it on a customer-to-customer level as professional as possible. And at the end of the day, that's all you can ask. So taking a look at this particular engine package, this is one of our 363 cubic inch, features the World Products aftermarket block. Obviously this is going into a GT40, so you see that we have a specific front drive accessory system, including air conditioning, alternator, and the water pump. And this is all very, very short and compact to fit in the GT40. Of course, sporting the Borla induction. Now this is what we call the elegant induction system, or Borla, versus the older school 8-stack. This also features an Aviate oil pan, which is a GT40 specific or Daytona coupe style pan. So that's an example of, you know, 363. I believe this is probably in the 530 horsepower range, specific for the GT40. Okay, moving on over, we have this one here is a 427 Windsor, also sporting a World Products block. This one's got the billet specialties, all polished front drive. This one I believe is specific for the Daytona coupe. And obviously there's different dress accessory systems that can be used, but this gentleman chose billet specialties. Once again, the Borla 8-stack, this one's shown in all polished. And forgot to mention with the other one, but every one of these Holley, EFI, Terminator X, or HP controlled. And then you'll see it does have a rear sump oil pan on it. Those vehicles can use a front or a rear. Sometimes it's just customer preference that drives that. So, but again, another example of complete engine kind of built specifically for a particular car model. Moving over to this one, these are kind of special ones, so we're using the Shelby block and Shelby heads. That basically is, some people want the aluminum block, that's about the only one you can get right now. And they would like the Carroll Shelby logo, so obviously we can accommodate that. This is still an AFR CNC head, so the only difference is it has their logo, which is a nice little touch. Again, the Aviate oil pan, and this one's sporting the March Ultra drive kit, and that's an alternator and water pump only. Now you'll notice we do this a lot in the Cobras and stuff like that, where they want to mimic, say, a steel pulley. So we do it in black powder coat and natural finish alternator and water pump. So it kind of mimics the old school look. This one obviously is the 8-stack induction. So this is a little bit more unique looking or old school looking. The injectors are hidden inside, which is a nice little touch. So one thing that I know about this combination that's special, and this is what will set us apart from a lot of different engine companies that are out there available to you, is this particular package is actually #2 engine for the same guy. I believe it's a Superformance Cobra. He does track days and everything. He was so happy with the first engine. All he wanted to do was do a super lightweight rotating assembly. So this one particularly has a Crower extreme lightweight crank. If I'm not mistaken, it might even be a titanium rod and a special lightweight piston in it. So it just shows the example of doing the personalized touches on the outside but as well as the inside, depending on what they're doing. This one also, I believe, has got the Sportsman shaft rockers underneath the valve covers as well. So that's a pretty good example, one that's going in a Cobra. And this one here is also destined for, this one's a slab side, and that's why we're using a little shorter. They wanted the old school 8-stack, but it will not fit without cutting a hole in the hood. So using the Borla shorter, elegant look fits that bill. Again, Shelby block, Shelby heads, natural and black aluminum front drive system, aviate oil pan. So I'm really not focused too much on what exactly, I guess, these combinations are, but even this one has got the Carroll Shelby Signature Series valve covers. We have our own line of valve covers. We do private label valve covers. So it really just depends what you want. So one of the things that I mentioned here is, so what we do for our dealers is we have basically marketing material and pamphlets, lots of online educational videos for not only you guys to watch in your shop, so or your potential customers, but then when you go to the show, and this is just a printed example, but like a trifold, and basically it would be specific to the kit car or continuation car community. So we've shown you all 8-stack engines, but basically we've got the basic approach with carburetor package, and then the fuel injected guys that don't want, say, the elegant 8-stack or Borla, we do a multi-point system, injector per cylinder, no throttle body stuff here, but an injector per cylinder, again using the Terminator X from Holley, and then obviously the third option being the 8-stack or individual runner induction. Lots and lots of options here. We don't really want to confuse our customers, but at the end of the day, people want a personalized ride, and that's what we offer without any qualms whatsoever. You want black throttle bodies, polished air horns, done deal. You want the block custom painted, possibly the oil pan custom painted, whatever you can dream of, done deal, not a problem. We deliver quotes pretty quickly with the system we've designed and developed, so we can rapidly quote, so you can get that information to your customers. The pamphlet will have base prices as well as optional upgrades, some of the most common ones. But when you want to basically build a custom quote for your client or potential client, we can rapidly do that for you, and the order process is pretty seamless. Sorry. All right, so outside of the personalized and tailored approach to our engine packages specific to the specific vehicle you're building, one of the things that I'd like to really emphasize is our tuning. So we have what we call master tunes for these engines in the specific vehicle. Generally, there's no real reason to make any additional adjustments. They've been calibrated in vehicles with certain side pipes. So a Daytona coupe is a different exhaust than a Cobra, and essentially a different exhaust than the bundle of snakes in the GT40s. So the tuning, also if you want us to remote in, which we generally like to monitor the first startup, we'll make any tweaks if needed. If you have any diagnostics, we provide that to you as well as the end customer. So if they ever have an issue, they can call us, we can remote in and take a look at it. A lot of the combinations, the styling, the attention to detail, the tuning, all of it, all comes from where I'm standing right now. Right behind the cameraman is our entire facility. We have done installations on GT40s. We have done the installations on Cobra kit cars, Daytona coupes. We were one of very few that got to even power and build the 50th anniversary FIA car for Shelby. So we've got a lot of background experience in these outside of just constructing the engine itself. And another neat feature for you or your potential customers is what we call automatic update process that provides you pictures throughout the process, along with dyno video, dyno sheets, and build sheets, all uploaded to your email in a share file, and then we dump it on an SD card that will come with the engine, in a t-shirt, in a bag. Everything is in the same crate. Thanks for watching. Give us a call with your next inquiry.